The power steering system helps you turn the steering wheel easily. Over time, the fluid in this system gets dirty and can make steering harder or damage the parts. There are simple steps to flush a power steering system. Open the car's hood and look for the power steering fluid tank. It usually has a label or a cap that is power steering. To flush a power steering system safely, you need to raise the front of the car. First, park the vehicle on a flat surface and engage the parking brake. Use a jack to lift the front end, then place jack stands under the car to support it securely. This step is important because it allows you to turn the front wheels freely without the engine running. To begin flushing the power steering system, you need to locate the power steering reservoir under the hood. It is usually a small, round or rectangular container with a cap labeled power steering. In most vehicles, it is found near the engine or along the firewall on the driver's side. Some reservoirs are transparent, making it easier to check fluid levels. To remove the old power steering fluid, use a turkey baster or fluid pump to suck the fluid out of the reservoir. Carefully insert the tool into the reservoir and extract as much fluid as possible. Transfer the old fluid into a drain pan or container for safe disposal. This step helps reduce the amount of dirty fluid left in the system before the full flush. Wipe up any spills with a rag to keep the area clean. To continue the flush, locate and disconnect the return hose from the power steering reservoir. This is usually the smaller hose attached to the side or bottom of the reservoir. Use pliers or a wrench to loosen the clamp, then gently pull the hose off. Be prepared for some fluid to leak out, so have a drain pan ready underneath. This hose will later allow the old fluid to drain during the flushing process. With the engine running, slowly turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, then all the way to the right. Repeat this motion several times to help push the old fluid through the system. This action forces fluid through the steering rack and out the return hose. Keep an eye on the fluid level in the reservoir and refill as needed to prevent air from entering. After flushing the system, refill the power steering reservoir with fresh fluid up to the recommended level. Use a funnel to avoid spills and ensure you are using the correct type of fluid for your vehicle. Check the markings on the dipstick or reservoir for accuracy. Make sure the cap is securely closed once filled. So, by applying these steps and using the right products, you can easily flush a power steering system.